Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama
Introducing Namanishta Das, in charge of Mangalore ISKCON. Had his education from IIT Kanpur. Worked in Infosys, Bangalore. Attracted to the message of Bhagavad Gita and realized the importance of it in the present situation. Sacrificed his career and dedicated his life to spread Krishna consciousness. Came under the shelter of Srila Prabhupada, founder Acharya of International Society for Krishna Consciousness, which is popularly known as ISKCON, to assist in his mission. Came to Mangalore in 2002, established Radha Govind Temple. Started his preaching all over the belt. Organizing big festivals like Janmashtami, Ramanavami, Narasimha Jayanti, where thousands of public can easily participate and benefit. He got introduced the Krishna consciousness during his college days. Same way, he also wants youngsters to imbibe the message of Bhagavad Gita. Preaching to the younger generation, who are the future hope of the country, is main aspect of his mission. Giving solutions to the students for their problems through the message of Bhagavad Gita. Introduced chanting of Mahamantra Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, which really helped students to overcome stress and to concentrate in their studies. With the vision of bringing more people to Krishna consciousness, Namanishta Das is working tirelessly by distributing books door to door and involving more people in Krishna consciousness. He is preaching almost all the colleges of Mangalore. His classes have been appreciated by the students and supported by the college management. Now he covers thousands of students every year. Youngsters are like sponge. They easily absorb the ideas from the others. So he is going to present the message of Bhagavad Gita. Many students' life has been transformed. They left their bad habits. They are becoming wonderful citizens to the country. Daily his classes are being telecasted in local TV channels and lakhs of people are watching it and benefiting from it.
Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama